Hi friend, this is Sohi. Today we are going to learn how we can install the Checktime software in multiple PC with the shared database folder. So every user can change the data everybody can see. So in this thing, step 1, install the software in all the PCs and activate it. Then make sure all the PCs linking with the same Wi-Fi or network. Decide one is the main PC. Create a share folder on this main PC and share with other computers. Make sure you install the Checktime software on this PC. Then decide the second PC, install the Checktime software, and make sure this PC also linking with the same network, LAN or Wi-Fi, anything. Then we decide the third PC, install the Checktime software and activate. Make sure this PC also linking with the same network through the Wi-Fi or LAN. So now we have all the PCs. Let's see how to do in practical. So step 1 in the PC, make sure you have Checktime software installed and running, and then you can open this PC. Then decide the drive where you want to do the share folder. Right click, new, you can click the folder. Use any name to create the folder. Right click, go to properties, click the sharing, click the share. Here you can select user who you want to share with the folder. I want to select with the everyone. So add, then click here, read and write, give the permission to the folder, click share. So once you can see the screen, our folder is ready for sharing with the other peoples. So click done. So this is folder now we are sharing with the other. How we can check this folder is successfully shared? So go to search bar, type cmd, and here you can type ipconfig, ipconfig, press enter. So in this thing you can get your PC IP address. Like we have, this is my PC IP address. So you can see IPv4, this is my PC IP address 192.168.1.12. This is my PC IP address. You want to check our folder is successfully shared, then double slash, go to folder 192.168.1.12, enter. So you can see the folder here. So we have this folder here. You can double click. Right now folder is empty, so we don't have anything else in the folder. So you want to make this one as a mapping drive, also you can do, click here, right click, copy, then you can go to this PC, add a map a network drive, paste your path from here, select the target house. So we have Checktime folder, open. So we have this folder now, finish. So once you finish and just go up, then you can see something like this. So this is, we are sharing a drive from the other PC or with this PC also, you can see. So here, so this one done. Then third step, from your main PC, which is software already activated, go to C drive, search for check folder, right click, copy this folder and go to your shared folder, paste here. So once you paste here, your database all is now here in this folder. We are running from share folder, which is we have created CheckTimeDB is here. Our database is located here, checktimedb.mdb. So now we can open the Checktime software. Then we go to maintenance option, we go to database option. From here we change our default path is the C drive. Now we're going to change this path to the network drive. So we go to our network drive. You can find something like this. Click from here, then find the file for checktimedb.mdb. It's open. If your software is, if you're using old version software, then just click the update. System will change the path. If you're using new software, then you have to put the password here. So update. So I have to put the password. So password is time, TIME, T capital, check, CHECK, at $12. Update. Your data its location is changed. Press OK. Software will close and open again. So you can log in. So software will open successfully. So you can see. So this is the software we running from the network drive right now, which is here. So anything we change, all is saved in our network drive. Now same process we have to repeat from the other PC. So let's see, we go to the second client PC. Okay friends, now we are on the second PC. So make sure you have installed the CheckTime software on the second PC. Then we go to the Explorer here. Then we type here same our main PC IP address 192.168.1.12. When you press enter, so you can see same thing. Double click here, so you can see the check folder. Now you have to copy this path. Then same, we go to this PC, go to short, map the network drive, use a letter, you can use any letter, paste the path, finish. So once you finish, so you can see now your second PC is linking with the main PC folder. So this is our CheckTime database. So now we double click the CheckTime software. So if your system is not linking to database, it shows you something like this. So you select database, browse from here. Now we select the folder. From here, this open and put the password TIMECHECK at $12. So update, done. So our software is running in the second PC. So like this, you can repeat all the process in how many PC you want, so you can install. So make sure you share the folder from the main PC, then go to second PC, go to third PC, how many PC you want, you can install the software. Then after this, you can create the login from here, administrator. You can create different login. From here, you can add the login, username, password. So you can select from here user or department manager. If the department manager, then you have to select the department. Like I can view only that department. If user, then you select the password. Next, then you choose the permission, what you allow to the user. So they can't do this thing. So you can uncheck or check, then update, done. Then just go out. Then you can, after this, your user can use that username and password to log in. So in this user, some permission don't have, you can see they can't click on these all the permissions. So like this, you can install the check time software in multiple PC and share the database from the main PC. Thanks for watching.
Get your check time biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.